Drishti.
And I am me. And we welcome you to yet another exciting match of Mind Wars League 2021.
आप सभी को तो पता ही है ना, we are competing for Mind Wars League.
6 players, 15 matches, and the 4 highest scorers will move to the next stage to be the Mind Wars League 2021 का champion.
That's right. पर एक बात बताओ, मुझे काफ़ी डर लग रहा है क्योंकि आज का टॉपिक थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है. ब्रांड टैगलाइन्स आर सो ट्रिकी.
दृष्टि, तो डर मत, क्योंकि डर के आगे जीत है. And I'm sure you will do well.
हाँ, डर के आगे जीत है.
हाँ सच्ची, भरोसा तो रख.
वो तो मैच के बाद में देख लेंगे. If we take tagline seriously, then Red Bull gives you wings. I also want wings.
But I hope you know that the tagline is no more wings. It's wings.
Wings हो या wings, सेम ही तो बात है.
वही तो, सेम है, पर फिर भी सेम नहीं है. Let me explain. A guy sued them saying that he has been drinking Red Bull for 10 years, but he still did not get wings. And believe it or not, Red Bull had to pay him $13 million for it.
So they had to change spelling.
Of course, इतने बड़े लॉस के बाद उन्होंने obviously अपने टैगलाइन को चेंज करने का डिसीजन लिया. But since their tagline has gained enough attention and was catchy, so they just made a slight change in their tagline and added 2 more eyes to their wings. So they technically changed it from wings to wings.
$13 million for adding just 2 eyes? Quite expensive alphabets. By the way, तुम्हें alphabet का tagline पता है?
Of course.
Overconfidence में हाँ बोल दिया ना? Looks like someone is unprepared. The tagline is do the right thing.
हाँ, तो let's do the right thing. And without any further ado, let's start the quiz. फिर पता चल ही जाएगा हम दोनों में से कौन सबसे ज़्यादा तेज है.
चल, दिमाग की बत्ती जलाते हैं. Let the Mind Wars begin.
So let's start. Question 1. Which Northeast Indian state's tourism tagline refers to it as the land of festivals? Nagaland. Yes, शुरुआत सही तो दिन सही. Did you know Nagaland is said to be the land of festivals because each month of the year is marked as the festival, organized by its various tribes. Question 2. Which Indian state promotes tourism with the tagline "The Heart of Incredible India"? Chhattisgarh. Question 3. Which Indian motorcycle brand goes by the line "Made like a gun, goes like a bullet"? Royal Enfield. Yes. Did you know the first ever Royal Enfield motorcycle was produced in 1901 and was designed by Bob Walker-Smith and Frenchman Jules Gobier? Question 4. Which popular detergent brand is promoted with the tagline "दाग अच्छे हैं और stains are good"? Surf Excel. Yes. Question 5. Which Indian automobile brand, in order to show its service reliability, has the tagline "With you, Hamisha"? Mahindra and Mahindra. Yes. Question 6. Which Indian state that is home to the nestling grounds of olive ridley turtles has a tagline for tourism as "Scenic, serene, sublime"? Odisha. Yes, come on. Which brand came up with a green horned devil with long fingernails and the tagline "Neighbors envy, owners pride" in 1982? Videocon. Question 8. Which branding exercise to promote handicraft has the tagline "Where the world meets Bengal"? Sonar Bangla. Which brand adopted a tagline in 1982 that equated a man's love for his wife with the brand, urging a newly married couple to buy the brand's pressure cookers? Prestige? Yes. Question 10. Which actor appeared in multiple ads with the tagline "दो बूंद जिंदगी के in order to help make India polio free by February 2014? Amitabh Bachchan. Yes. Last time was better. I got 7 points. But let's see how much Drashti scores.
Let's start. Question number 1. Which sporting event, the second major multinational sporting event to be held at Delhi, had the tagline "Friendship, Fraternity, Forever"? Answer 1982 Asian Games. Yes, correct answer. Question 2. Which association of poultry farmers in India came up with the memorable tagline "Sunday huye Monday, roz khao ande"? A. National Egg Coordination Committee. Yes. Did you know this tagline is written by Anand Halve, who has won the Advertising Club of Bombay Campaign of the Year award. Question 3. Which Indian performance bike was launched with the tagline "The Fastest Indian"? D. KTM Duke. 4. Which now defunct domestic airline had the catchy slogan "Simply Fly"? C. Sara Airlines. 5th. Which Bollywood actors featured in "I'm a Complan Boy" and "I'm a Complan Girl" advertisement from the early 1990s? B. Aisha Takia and Shahid Kapoor. Yes. Did you know this ad came in 1991, 12 years before Shahid's debut and 13 years before Aisha's debut movie? 6th. Which company has a tagline of "Slightly ahead of its time"? I think so. B. The Daily Telegraph. 7. Which company has a tagline of "Express Yourself"? I think so. Idea. 8. Which company has a tagline of "Just Do It"? D. Nike. Yes. 9. Which company has a tagline of "Finger Licking Good"? B. KFC. Yes. 10. Which company has a tagline of "Life's Good"? D. LG. Yes. I got 6 out of 10. तेरे कितने सही जवाब आए?
पहले तू बता.
अरे पहले मैंने पूछा.
अच्छा ठीक है, साथ में बोलते हैं. ऑन द काउंट ऑफ 3. 1 2 3 7. यस, मैं जीत गया. कम ऑन. चल दृष्टि, कुछ मीठा हो जाए.
उफ, ये मैच भी मेरे हाथ से निकल गया. I was so close to win. चल लीडर बोर्ड तो देख लेते हैं. At least I will know where I stand.
जरूर जरूर. अब तो कुछ मीठा हो ही जाए. लीडर बोर्ड पे भी मैं तुझसे आगे हूँ. वैसे दृष्टि, क्योंकि हर एक फ्रेंड जरूरी होता है, इसीलिए तुझे बता रहा हूँ. तू ना माइंड वॉर्स पे प्रैक्टिस करती रहे, ताकि आगे के मैचेस में ज्यादा स्कोर कर पाएगी. क्योंकि इसको लगा डाला तो लाइफ झिंगा लाला.
Thanks for the tip. An idea can truly change your life. तेरा है पर मेरा है.
और ये है असली यारी का नंबर 1 एहसास. वैसे घर बैठे माइंड वॉरियर्स, आप सबके लिए भी एक टास्क है. क्या आप बता सकते हैं हमने इस पूरे वीडियो में कितने टैगलाइंस यूज किए हैं?
कमेंट सेक्शन में आपका आंसर दीजिए, क्योंकि पागलपंती भी जरूरी है. बाय. Thanks for the tip. Thanks for the tip. An idea can truly change your life.
तेरा है.
हाँ. Want to be first one to know of these videos? On Mindwise YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon.
And remember, knowledge increases when you share it. So like, share and tell your friends about this video.